Members, see here. Compute quantity index for the year 2012 for the following data using Glass-Pierce method and Parsons method and Bowles-Dorbish method and Marshall-Edgeworth method and Fisher's ideal formula. Okay, compute the quantity index for the year 2012 for the using the data ఏంటి నాన్న లాస్ట్ పియర్స్ మెథడ్ అండ్ సెకండ్ వన్ పాషిష్ మెథడ్ అండ్ థర్డ్ వన్ బౌలెస్ మెథడ్ అండ్ ఫోర్త్ వన్ మార్షల్ అండ్ ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ ఫిషర్స్ ఐడియల్ ఇండెక్స్ మెథడ్ ఓకే నౌ commodities and prices and quantities okay okay
Okay, madam.
commodities prices and quantities commodities means a b c d four items okay so prices 2010 and 2012 prices quantities 2010 and 2012 okay 2010 prices a 5 rupees and 2012 650 paisa okay b 2010 7.75 and b 2012 8.80 okay c 2010 లో 9.63 and 2012 లో 7.75 okay 7 rupees 75 paisa okay 9 rupees 63 paisa okay next d 2010 లో 12.50 and 2012 లో 12.75 and quantities 2010 లో a 5 and 12 లో 7 b 2010 లో 6 and 12 లో 10 c 2010 లో 4 and 2012 లో 6 and 2010 లో 9 2012 లో 9 okay let now we calculation of quantity index numbers now see here commodities and prices and quantities okay quantities prices means 2010 and 2012 so 2010 means base year price and 2012 means current year price okay quantities 2010 base quantity and 2012 current quantity okay so commodities as is a b c d and prices 2010 base year okay 2010 base year equal to p0 okay p0 means ఏంటి నాన్న 2012 and 2010 అది బేస్ ఇయర్ ఓకే సో ఏ వాల్యూ ఎంత 2010 లో 2010 లో 5 రూపీస్ ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ బి 7.75 c 9.63 and d 12.50 okay next current price 6.50 650 paisa 8.80 80 paisa okay 7.75 and 12.75 okay హలో అమ్మాయిలు హలో
Okay, madam.
okay next quantities 2010 quantity base year 2012 quantity current year quantity base year value 5 6 4 9 and quantity current year 7 10 6 9 okay now q1 p0 q0 p0 q1 p1 and q0 p1 okay quantity current and base price quantity base and base price and quantity current and quantity price and quantity base and current price okay so q1 p0 q1 p0 okay 5 sevens okay nana 5 sevens 35 rupees okay next one చూడండి 7.75 into 10 ఓకేనా 77.50 paisa. Next one 9.63 into 6. ఓకేనా 57.78. Next 12.50 into 9 112.5. Okay, next Q0 P0 Q0 P0. Where is P and where is Q? P0 Q0. Okay nana, so 5 into 5 25 rupees. Okay, 7.75 into 6. Okay na, 46.50 and 9.63 into 4 38.52 and 12.509 112.50. Okay, Q1 P1. Okay, Q1 and P1. Okay, 6.50 650 paisa into 7. Okay na, 45.50 and 8.80 8 rupees 80 paisa into 10. Okay na, 80 rupees. Next one వచ్చేసి 7.75 into 6. Okay, 46.50. Okay nana, next
Okay,
one
madam.
12.75 into 9. Okay, 114.75. Okay na, next to Q0 P1 Q0 P1. Okay, Q0 P1. Okay, 6.50 into 5 32.50. Okay, next one 8.80 into 6 52 into 7.75 into 4 31 rupees. Okay, next last one 114.75. Total summation Q1 P0 is equal summation Q1 P0 is equal to 82.78 and next one 222.52 and next one 294.75 and 231.05. Okay, summation Q1 P0 summation. Okay nana, summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0 and summation Q1 P1 and summation Q0 P1. Okay,
Okay,
summation
madam.
Q1 P0 summation Q1 P0 summation Q0 P0 summation Q1 P1 and summation Q0 P1. Okay, now we go for the formula. First one ఏంటి నాన్న last years. So last years. Okay,
Okay, madam.
last years method. Okay, what is the formula of last years? Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into 100. Okay nana, last year's okay formula Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into 100. Okay,
Okay,
okay.
madam.
What is the Q1 P0? Q1 P0. Okay, summation Q1 P0 means 282.78. Okay, 282.78 divided by summation Q0 P0. Summation Q0 P0 222.52. 222.52 into 100. Okay, 282.78 divided by 222.52 is equal to into 100. 127.08 Q01. Okay, Q, see here, once again repeat. Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 into 100. Summation Q1 P0 amount 282.78 and summation Q0 P0 222.52 into 100. 282.78 divided by 222.52 into 100. Q01 is equal to 127.08. Okay, this is the last pair. Okay, Nana.
Okay,
Next,
madam.
next second one. Second one.
Parsons, Parsons method, madam.
Second one. Parsons method. Okay. Okay. Parsons method. What is the formula of Parsons method? Q01 is equal summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Okay. Parsons method Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Okay. What is the amount of summation Q1 P1? Summation Q1 P1 294 294.75 divided by summation Q0 P1. Summation Q0 P1 231.05. Okay. 231.05 into 100. Okay. So 294.75 divided by 231.05 into 100 is equal 127.57. Okay. That is the Parsons method. Okay. Next, third one. Okay. Next, third one. Marshall and Edgeworth. Okay. Marshall and Edgeworth quantity index method. Okay, Nana. So, what is the formula of Marshall and Edgeworth? Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 divided by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1 into 100. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Next, summation Q1 P1 means 282.78 plus summation Q1 P1 means 294.75 divided by summation Q0 P0. Okay, summation Q0 P0 222.52 plus summation Q0 P1 is equal to 231.05. Okay, into 100. Okay, Nana.
Okay, madam.
Okay, 282.78 plus 294.78. Okay, Q01 is equal to 127.33. Okay. Okay, na.
Okay, madam.
Next one. Fourth one. Fourth one.
Darby's Bowley, madam.
Darbish and Bowley. Okay. Darbish and Bowley's method. What is the formula of Darbish and Bowley's in quantity index? Okay. Q01 is equal to summation q1 p0 divided by summation q0 p0 plus summation q1 p1 divided by summation q0 p1 under roll divided by 2 into 100. Okay na?
Okay, madam. Okay, madam.
Or 1 by 2, second formula, 1 by 2 summation q1 p0 divided by summation q0 p0 plus summation q1 p1 divided by summation q0 p1 into 100. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Next q01 is equal first summation q1 p0. Okay, 282.78 divided by summation q0 p0 222.52 plus summation q1 p1 294.75 divided by summation q0 p1 231.05 and roll divided by 2 into 100. Okay,
Okay, madam.
q01 is equal, okay, 282.78 divided by 222.52 చేయండి ఒకసారి. 282.78 divided by 222.52.
One 1.270, madam.
1.270
2708.
plus 2 1.2708. Okay,
అవును మేడం.
next plus 294.75 divided by 231.05. Fast.
2756, madam. 1.2756, madam.
1.2756. Okay, divided by 2 into 100. Okay, 1.2708 plus 1.2756.
కొన్ని కాలమ్స్ పెద్దగా ఇవ్వండి మేడం. పాయింట్ ఓకే వాల్యూమ్ నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ది స్టూడెంట్ అంటే ఒక్కొక్క కాలమ్.
Fast. 1.2708 plus 1.2756.
2.5464, madam.
2.5464, madam.
వినిపియట్లే అమ్మా.
2.5464, madam.
2.5464 divided
madam.
by 2 into 100. Divided by 2 into 100.
One 127.32, madam.
127.32.
32, madam.
32, madam.
Okay, Nana. Okay.
Okay,
This is the Darvish and Bowles. Next, last one, Fishers. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Fishers. Okay. What is the formula of Fishers? Q01 is equal to summation Q1 P0 divided by summation Q0 P0 okay, into summation q1 p1 divided by summation q0 p1, okay nana, into
Okay, madam.
100,
200.
okay. Fisher's and ideal index method formula, q01 is equal to under root of summation q1 p0 divided by summation q0 p1, summation q0 p0 into summation q1 p1 divided by summation q0 p1 into 100, okay. q01 is equal under root of q1 p0 means 282.78 divided by 2 summation q0 p0 222.52 into summation q1 p1 294.75 divided by summation q0 p1 231.05 into 100, okay, okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay, so 282.78 means 282.78 divided by 222.52 is equal to 1.2708. Okay, into
Okay, madam.
okay, next one into 294.75 divided by 231.05 చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది నాన్న 1.2756, ఓకే,
Okay, madam.
అండర్ రూట్ ఇంటూ 100, ఓకే చేయండి నాన్న 1.2708 ఇంటూ 1.2756, 1.2708 into 1.2756,
1.6210, madam.
1.6210
6210.
under root into 100, okay, under root 1.6210, okay, 1.6210 root value,
1.273, madam.
uh,
1.2731, madam.
1.273, okay,
అవును, madam.
into 100, 127.3,
3,
Yes.
madam.
okay nana, this is
Okay,
the
madam.
okay Fisher's method, okay, understand?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
madam.
All of you reply me, one or two members only,
Yes, madam.
okay amma,
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.